My friends, here you have the Karen style of Yuta.
Roll that tape!
To determine the length of the bangs, I will measure the hair by putting the part one side. For this style, the length of the mouth will work as a reference, even though as a first side look, it looks shorter. Using the freeform technique with the razor, I will cut the bangs area using the tip of the blade. Position the hair to the side and cut the sides in a natural fold, handpick individual strands following the diagonal back line. If you are interested in doing this look, as always at the end of this video, I will share what face types will do well with this style. Continue with the same line towards the nape, sliding down the blade. Don't cut this angle too deep towards the back. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side, using as a reference the one we just did. To cut the length on the nape, the 3 or 4 fingers will do okay. Starting on the middle, create an oval shape following the shape of the hairline. This style is a long hairstyle for men, but it's not too long on the nape. When all the perimeter area is cut, release the interior hair on the section and design the layers. On this case, I would use the condensed cutting technique with the twin combs. Visit other videos in the channel if you want to see how I apply this technique on longer hairstyles. To create a finish with a lot of texture in the ends versus using the traditional scissors, I will be using the Texturizing shears. It takes a little bit longer, but the results are well worth it. Retouch a second time if it's necessary. This area can be done with a razor blade as well. To create the layers on the top area, I will start on the sides using the razor in a horizontal position and with the direction back. This technique will maintain the same height on the layers on both sides, even though this style has a high side part. Dry the hair with a natural finish and facilitating the movement. Start on the front to mark a wave. This technique with a round brush will lift the bangs to recreate the style of Yuta on this area. To avoid the hair gets a lot of volume on the sides, I will use the flat brush to push the roots forward and down as flat as possible. On the top area, I will elevate the roots to add volume, and on the sides and the back, I will keep it flat. To smooth the top area, I will use the round brush. Depending on the texture of your hair, you will or won't need to do this. Now that the hair is dry, I will use the texturizing shears with the white teeth to texturize the hair to achieve the lighter finish you see on the iPad. Depending on the density of your hair, cut more or less to achieve the desired look. To texturize the interior, use your scissors from the top down. This will facilitate the ends to flip up. Continue using the same technique around the head, especially on the nape area. If you don't take enough hair on this area, it will look heavy and the ends will not flip up. It will help me to prepare the hair to get the best results when I use the flat iron. To recreate the style of Yuta, if your hair is not super straight, or if you want your hair to stick out on the ends, you will need to use the flat iron. Observe how I use the flat iron following the direction of the style, going down, back or up, wherever needs it. In some cases, the ends go down, like on the perimeter or the bangs area. On the interior layers, the hair goes up on the roots and out on the ends. It's not just get the hair straight, you need to shape it. This is the moment of truth. With the help of the hairspray, I will mark the ends. Let's see if I can reproduce the style on the iPad. This style is phenomenal for oval faces, diamond and heart shapes. If you have a round face shape, you are on luck. This time the volume on the top, the length on the back, and the open bangs will make your face appear longer. If you have a square face, this look won't highlight your best features, but it won't look bad. And here you have the 360 view. This is a fantastic look for any man that wants a medium length hairstyle, and it works for women as well.
Here is Ángel del Solar, the Hair Bender.